We've just boarded our plane in Juneau. We're flying to Gustavus, and we're going to be staying in Glacier Bay. This is like a 30-minute flight from Juneau. Made it to Gustavus. There should be a bus here waiting for us to take us to our lodge. We just made it into our lodge room. We are staying at Glacier Bay Lodge. It's inside the park and it's right by the boat tour that we're doing tomorrow, which is really nice. This is like super basic. I think it's pretty nice though for being inside of a national park. Bathroom.
It's like a bathroom at home.
Very industrial grade. No microwave, no fridge or anything, but there is a coffee maker. And it's really cool. All of the rooms are connected by a boardwalk. So it looks, I don't know, it's really cute actually. And there's some hiking trails nearby and there's a restaurant on site. This is where we'll be for the next few days. I'm pretty excited.
All right, so here's our coffee maker. Got some beautiful glacier art. Our full-size bed. We just decided to pop in to get some dinner, and yeah, we ordered an appetizer, crab and artichoke dip, and then we have a couple burgers on the way. So this looks amazing. So put it on here. Oh my gosh, Ashley! You gotta turn the camera off. She's gonna try that. We just finished dinner. Our tummies are very full. We had 2 very large burgers. There's a mosquito on your arm. We're gonna go check out this whale bones, and then we're gonna walk down to the beach. A whale named Snow, 1957 to 2001, age 44. That's wild.
Aww. That's so sad. Oh my gosh. This is actually really sad. In 2001, a well-known whale in the area named Snow was found floating in Glacier Bay. A cruise ship had hit her and killed her, and she was pregnant. This is actually so sad. This is her skeleton.
Where's the baby?
You know, that's a very good question. One of the world's largest humpback skeleton displays. So that's pretty crazy. It's just here in Gustavus. It's because she was a local legend.
Hello. We just came down here for a nice leisurely stroll amongst the docks, and there's just a bunch of National Park Services boats out here, but it's definitely getting close to sunset. But here in Alaska, it doesn't really set until about 10 o'clock, and it's about 8 o'clock right now. So today is summer solstice. We have the longest amount of sun in a single given day all year. It's today.
Here it sets at 10:20.
Yeah.
And it rises at 3:50. We were up bright and early. It's like 6:30 a.m. and we're heading down to the dock to get on our boat tour for the day. It's like a 9-hour boat tour. When we get lunch, we'll be back here around like 3:30 or so. Should be a beautiful day. It's nice and sunny this morning. Feeling very thankful for that because when I was booking the boat tour in the lodge, there was like 10 warnings about weather and rain and fogginess and everything. So feeling very grateful for the sun this morning. our route today, we started down here at the lodge. We went out around this like island area. We're coming up, going to Tidal Inlet, going all the way up here through Queen Inlet, and then to Jaw Point by Johns Hopkins. And we're actually going to be like very close to Canada, which is pretty cool. And then coming back down. So we should see quite a few glaciers today. It's really pretty out right now. It's kind of like misty, foggy.
We're on the top deck, ready to arrive at Strawberry Island.
South Marble Island.
South Marble Island. We've seen some whales already. We just saw a duck floating across the water.
At 3.3 million acres, Glacier Bay is 4 times the size of Rhode Island, the 6th largest national park in the United States. In fact, 7 of the 10 largest U.S. parks are all in Alaska. Glacier Bay is home to over 1,000 glaciers. Over 27% of the park is still covered in ice. It's also home to over 40 species of land and sea mammals, including these stellar sea lions.
We are just landing here on the beach, picking up some kayakers. The weather is insanely great right now. I think we're just off the coast, so there's no wind. It's just the sun on us with a little bit of cold weather, so it's like a good mix. It's so great right now. I love it.
So we've seen whales, sea lions, puffins, otters, and then a ton of other birds, and some wild kayakers.
We came across three mountain goats, almost asleep, perched up in like a little corner. And then the other one was just on the beach. What's kind of crazy is we all passed by it, didn't even see it, and blended in so well. They smell soup.
Going towards Margaret Glacier. Listen closely, as sometimes we can hear.
Got a little seafood chowder. Always nice on a peninsula boat, on a sea abroad boat, on a sea adventure.
We just saw our first bear. We saw a coastal brown bear, which they're massive, like they're huge bears. But yeah, we're starting to enter into the Marjorie Glacier area, so we're starting to see a lot of like the little ice pieces that have broken off the glacier. We're also super close to Canada, so that little blue dot is us, and that black line is Canada. We're right next to Canada right now, like right over that mountain, Canada.
We're here at the Marjorie Glacier. This is the terminus of the glacier. This is the front face of the glacier. Hopefully we can see some calving. We'll see.
You can see the entire, well, not the entire glacier, but all that we can see down here in the water. We've seen it calve 3 times, and I think I got at least a little bit of each calving on video. I'm very proud of that today. Usually we completely miss it. We're gonna hang out here for like 20 minutes or so and just enjoy the glacier. It's beautiful.
Got a nice turkey sandwich with some lettuce, some mayo, mustard on it. Also got some grandma's cookies, chocolate chip. And it also came with a drink as well. Nice little lime, sparkling water. Everything's included on this cruise, which is really nice.
We just pulled up to the Johns Hopkins Glacier, which is in this beautiful amphitheater mountains. Like, this is one of the most gorgeous surrounding sceneries of a glacier I feel like we've ever seen. It's so beautiful in here. The glacier itself looks massive. I think it's because we can see so much of it because we're far away, but it just seems so huge. Like, there's like stair steps to it, like of how tall it is. I feel like this is one of my favorite glaciers we've seen just because it looks different because we're so far away.
Yeah.
Whereas usually when you're up close to them, they start to all kind of look similar. This one just looks different because we're getting to see it from a different perspective, so big fan.
So the warm ocean water is corroding and eating the face of the glacier faster than the air temperature. There's a humpback whale. Floating around over there. A couple of them.
We just got off of the boat. We're back at the lodge now. We saw a couple more glaciers, and then we saw a mom bear and 2 cubs, which was really special at the end. We did book 2 nights here, which is really nice. I would recommend doing that if you can. We have the rest of the day today. It's only 3:30, and then we don't have to check out till noon tomorrow and fly back to Anchorage at like 5 p.m. So we still have like 24 hours here, so we're going to make the most of it. We're gonna do some of the hikes in the area. We're gonna relax. It is beautiful out, so we're going to fully appreciate that, that's for sure. It's 1 mile loop.
1 mile lupine.
Yes. We're gonna do a 1 mile little loop around here. There's 2 or 3 hiking trails that leave from the lodge, so we're gonna do them today. I think they're each like 1 mile, so we're gonna do 2 miles total.
Look underneath it.
Oh, that's awesome. What is that?
Somebody down in the comment section, please tell me what this is. It looks like some sort of mushroom or fungus, but it looks shiny, like there's diamonds in it. And I know there's not diamonds. Do you see it? Yes. Bulky.
Oh my gosh. Wait, I need to show you this mosquito.
Okay,
Anyway,
we're dying.
So it's our last night here, and so we came down to the dock.
There's one on my neck.
Okay, so we came out of the dock to enjoy the sunset. It's gorgeous. The mountains look like just shadows, like phantoms of the mountains.
So we had a beautiful sunset, and we had a great dinner, and it's an end to a great day. There was one on my forehead. I'm done. Okay, this night is concluding with mosquitoes sucking our blood.
We'll do the real outro in the morning.
Good night.
So our time at Glacier Bay has ended. We are getting on our shuttle to the airport here in like 20 minutes, I think. We just spent some time walking the trails today, and we actually visited the visitor center for the park, which is in upstairs of the lodge, which is really cool. It has a ton of exhibits, and I think it's really well done, honestly, especially for how small of a park this is. It's a little bit out of the way, but I think it's well worth it, especially if you already have Juneau on the list of places you want to visit in Alaska. This is very, very easy to get to. Beautiful place with glaciers in the mountains, and there's just no bad spot in the wilderness in Alaska. I feel like you cannot go wrong.
There's a lot of things you can do here too. We've seen people kayaking, people doing fishing charters. We're gonna head to our plane, and we'll probably catch you guys in the next video.
We wanted to say this is National Park in Alaska 4 of 8, and we're going to be visiting all of them while we're here. So we have 4 more to go, so make sure that you stick around and subscribe to see those, because I'm pretty excited. The last 4, they get even more remote.
Yeah.
This is really not that remote compared to the other 4 that we're seeing. So
Yeah, we're excited. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
look at that.
Ooh. Let's burn it.
Stop! Why did you do that? You touched it. Here, look at the bottom of the camera. Did you put the camera in?
Stands defiantly.